All right, boys, good morning. Before I start the video, everybody who commented square on the last video, join the Patreon, guys. Patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. All those strategies are there, right? We actually just had like 2 new members join the Patreon, like I think like a couple days ago, and they already made all their money back from the Patreon in like 2 days. So join the Patreon. I know I'm not good at posting the links, but patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I really don't know. I'm not a marketer, so you guys gotta find the website, go to it and stuff. But bro, like I don't know what to tell you guys, man. Like all my targets hit perfectly, right? I told everybody yesterday, I'm like, hey bro, I'm gonna take this, right? I'm gonna run this long, right? Again to 535. Same thing happened, right? Took the long, made about 1700 times 3 is what? 1700 times 3, 51-ish. No, actually less. I think it was less than that. I think it was less. But again, another $5,000 a day, roughly. And again, I had these longs, boom, pushed up, 535, hit my targets exactly. You're basically just kind of chilling out right now on the SPY. I don't know what to say. SPY hit all my targets again. I don't really know what else to tell you guys. Let's focus on something else. Bitcoin. A lot of people are wondering what's happening with Bitcoin, right? I told you guys as of here, I would say longs here are a good way to go because you did close the daily above this bear, right? So you did close. First target was 82. Again, hit perfectly. I did think we were going to drop down a little bit lower to down here, but we didn't actually drop. I think it was in the 4 hour, right? 4 hour. I talked about this. Yeah, there we go. So I did think we were going to drop a little bit down to order block here at 77. He actually only dropped to around like 78 and then pushed up. So usually when that happens is you have a pretty good bias towards the upside, right? And let me see. Do I want to redo the full chart? No, the red are my weeklies, right? My weekly targets. So as of right now, can I find new targets? I would say, yeah, I would say first target already hit. This is second, and then this wouldn't be third because that one already got taken out. I would say this one got taken out as well. This one, oh yeah, this one we have target right there. There we go. So currently we do have 3 targets on Bitcoin, right? You just hit your first target. Again, your long would have been right here at 82,533, or your long would have been anywhere in this range right here. Right? Anywhere between right here, we retraced from here all the way to there. That would have been your long. Right there. Boom, boom, boom. Take this off. Make the opacity to 0. There you go. Right? So this would have been your close. Any retest of this area, you would have longed. You would have longed this whole fucking shit. And then you would have longed here, right? Everything here. And you would have pushed this up to first target, which is 83,950, basically 84K. Second target is 85,197. And then your next target would be up here at 94,000 bucks. You already took out these targets here. So if you do break above 85,197, you have a really good chance of pushing to 94K on Bitcoin. As of right now, am I bullish on Bitcoin? I will come back tomorrow on Sunday and I'll let you guys know because I don't know if we're going to be bullish or not. We are closing a perfect entry on Bitcoin right now. So as bearish as I want to be to 71 and 66K, if we close a bullish trigger like this on Bitcoin, very, very hard for me to stay bearish on Bitcoin. I'll be honest. Not only that, but you are closing this bull candle above the bear open, right? So, and your stock is low. So it's kind of hard for me to stay bearish while you're looking at this, right? And you are technically hitting mid-channel. So I could see this push up all the way back to like a 96K, roughly, right? So as of right now, I can't say I'm bullish or bearish, but tomorrow, if we do close this candle, right, this bull candle on the weekly above 82,367, it's very difficult for me to stay bearish, right? And I don't think we're going to keep going lower unless some crazy news happens or anything like that. But TA-wise, if you close like this, I think you're probably going to like 96K on the top of this channel. So again, if you guys want to see other TA, let me know. Drop it in the comments, right? Or if you want to know more, just join the Patreon, right? But anyways, have a great day. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.